Okay viewers, we're going over this thing with a wire brush on a drill, a little cordless drill on full speed, and just cut into it with a high quality wire brush. Now this stuff is just piled up, caked up soap scum, the washing powder over the years. So I'm going to soak up hot water and get this steel wool soap pad and just scrub the hell out of it and try and get as much of that as I can off before I paint it. I might even use a bit of this stuff. I'll show you. This stuff's supposed to get all the this stuff here is supposed to peel all the impurities out of the metal. Yeah, just like a metal polisher gets every impurity out of the surface of the metal as it can, polishes it, then I'll dry it off, and that will make the paint stick better. That stuff's good shit too. It's pretty good to use electrolysis or something, doing spinners or something. You just use that to get the oxide shit off. Finish it off with this, and this will get the additional stuff. This will what do you call it? It's like a cleanser. It gets the additional oxide residue off it prior to painting. So yeah, it's good stuff. Use for mag wheels or that sort of shit. Yeah. So I'm going to give it a good paint job. Get dirty hands, and yeah, we'll show you about that later on when I've finished. Okay, viewers, well, decided to use some plain hot water to help break the soap scum down. And that's how murky the water is, or the shit that come off this. So yeah, it feels a lot smoother now. It's got a waxy residue still. Just going to keep soaking it and scrubbing it. Then I go over it with this to help pick up all the rest of the crap out of it. So yeah, it's working. Once I get this waxy the residue off it, they'll make the paint stick better. So it looks pretty good now. I'll give it a good soaking. Some more hot water. Help break down the soap scum. You think this stuff here, it's got some sort of cleaner in it anyway. It's like a cream cleanser. Yeah, breaks down the soap scum just like ordinary cream cleanser would. But yeah. Put the gloves back on and start scrubbing again. I use some of this steel wool this time. This is more coarse. I'll use that to polish it with this stuff. Yeah, that stuff rusts away like crap, so I better use that while I can. Okay viewers, you can see just how much of an amazing job this Metal Magic cleaning will cleanse it actually done. Scrub like mad. I've got a really sore muscle tendon in my thumb now, but I could have done it another way, but I haven't got a proper way of doing it at the moment, so yeah. That stuff with a long hard scrub, got this thing like new. It's all dried up, so now I'm going to get a bit of turpentine and just remove any additional crap before I paint it. So yeah, this stuff's, if you're restoring something made of metal, polishing it, this stuff's a go. Works great. As you can see, that turpentine takes a lot of crap off it. Oh no, black and gold stuff's to go, or the same shit. Works great on this one, took all the crap off it. So now I'm going to get the couple of coats of this stuff. Bright cream spray, that's all I've got. It'll look alright. Probably clean that nozzle off actually. Better do that because it's going to spray like crap. I do that with a bit of turpentine. G, have a fresh bit on the rag, polish your nozzle off, and that'll make it spray like it's new again. So I better do that because I want a nice even coat on this. Whoops. And yeah, that's how I did it. This way, then the other way. So you can't really tell where the pattern is. It's a pretty good coat of paint on that. So now I'm going to find some washers for those holes to stop the spring washers that lock on, to stop that from breaking away the metal more. I'll probably have to get some spring washers, but I don't have any that match those ones there. So I'm probably not going to have luck finding replacements for them, the bigger ones. I'll probably put rubber ones on there, but the lock washers won't lock, otherwise the bolts will come loose again, so I don't know. I'm probably going to have to leave it as it is. Yeah. Nearly touch dry, I'll give it another coat. One more. Gonna make it look good. That's better. Paint up the hand. The turpentine on this paper towel. There we go. Better. Alright. Yeah, I don't think, as I was saying, but I don't think my wash right here is going to help those holes, because that will just affect the purpose of using lock washers. Just leave it as it is. Let that dry. I'm going to do the underside just to protect it. It'll look good. I was going to originally take this base plate here off, but there's too much involved. And the amount of work of putting in the polishing that up with the Metal Magic and the steel wool is just not going to be worth it. Best I could do is spray the Protectant on it. Just keep spraying that and that to protect it. It's the best thing I can do. I'll also protect all these bolts here as well from rusting up. So yeah, I'll just keep soaking these legs because they're going to be adjustable. I don't want them locking up. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to find some good planks of wood to stick this machine on, because it just makes a mess of the concrete down there, the amount of movement this thing gets. So yeah, I'll make some wooden bases for this and I'll keep you updated when I put it back together. Okay viewers, I've taken that Protectant spray, just sprayed the whole base of it. It's going to get into all of the powders and the washing powder and residue and the dirt's gotten, and that's going to protect the metal from rusting, because the galvanizer is just starting to disintegrate in this, and they've got surface rust around that centerpiece. It's a bit of a nightmare taking all this off to get the paint off, as I said earlier, so instead I just sprayed it with a Protectant. That will disperse the water too. Yeah, protect the whole white metal around it too, be protected from rusting. So yeah, now I'm going to see if that's dry, put it back on the motor, start putting it back together, and put it on those bits of wood, try and raise it a little bit, back in that hole where it was, and yeah, set the door back up, see if it's touch dry. Yep, cool, not a mark. Alright, I'll put that back on and I'll show you what it looks like. There you go viewers. Talk about looking good. Look at that, a bit of dust off it, looks like new. Alright, now I've got to find a back plate that goes on this, rack that back on. Got to find those bolts for it though. So yeah, there's two, one there, slides in and supports this part. Bolt goes there, one goes there, there's three on the bottom. So I'll get that and I'll rack it back on. Okay, well, I couldn't find a replacements that match these, so I just got some Phillips heads with the same size thread as these original bolts. So then it's going to go on the bottom, and that's it. Just to hold it. That's all original. Then that will stop not mice, but fucking bigger crap or rodents, or whatever the fuck we got around here going in there. Not that we have, but just to protect it. It's all original. Put it back on there. So I've got one there. I'll find where the hole is now. Yeah, this is going to be the fun part, finding the original holes of these screws. Oh, look at the hole there. I'll put the middle one on. I'll put those screws back on, put the washer machine back up there on those boards, and I'll show you how to remove the agitator. I've got to fix a cracked fin on that. I'll show you how to do that.